Hi guys, I just got back from my walk and we made a little bit of breakfast. Yeah, so I made some eggs. I realized I didn't show the finished product, but we have a new stove and I'm just like not super used to it, so it cooked super quick. My old stove usually doesn't cook that quick. Made some breakfast, it chilled out. I have this huge package from Candle Science, as you guys saw earlier. I'm finally unpacking it for you guys. I don't want to make this part like super long because there's a lot of stuff in here and I don't want to just keep making... I feel like every vlog I have is me showing you guys something that I have, so I'm so sorry if I seem a little bit off. I have a huge headache right now. I try not to take anything for it, but I had to take some Excedrin because I feel like it's just pounding. But I do want to open this with you guys. This is way bigger than the first time I showed you guys, and if you guys didn't see the first time I showed you guys my candle stuff, I will link that vlog somewhere. I got wicks that are a little bit smaller than the ones I like now. I have tin lids for my jelly jars. I got yellow dye. I have green dye. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I have 2 pounds of the 464 soy wax. I do have a little bit over there. I have a whole bunch of the all natural soy wax, but I just don't think I like it, and I've been having the best results with 464. I've tried the soy 10 and that one's pretty good. It has a really nice smooth top and it's like a lot prettier than my 464, but I'm just not having as great luck with hot throw. I got a lot of scents this time. I don't think I meant to buy these. No wonder why my order was so expensive. I probably have stuff in here I forgot to take out. Crap. Oh, okay. Another thing of soy wax. So I must got 3 of them. Gosh, I bought so much stuff. I didn't know. I got a couple fall scents, but not a whole lot. Here are the same jars you guys saw in my first haul. So these are my jelly jars. So there's that. I don't think these are gonna fit. No, these don't fit at all. I don't know why I bought these. I am going to smell some of these scents with you guys. Hopefully not make this too long because I know that this can get lengthy. So this one is a 4-ounce strawberry shortcake. I thought that this one would smell really good. It smells delicious. It's just, yeah, it smells like strawberry. That smells so good. Okay. This one is apples and maple bourbon. It definitely smells... It smells like apples, like a fall crisp. Yeah, that smells super good. I don't smell much of the bourbon or maple, but I smell apple. This is Love Spell, which this was in my last vlog. It smells good. I don't love the scent, but I know a lot of people do, so I did get that. This is black raspberry and vanilla. I did get bigger bottles this time because those small ones go quick. This smells really good. It's like a black raspberry for sure. This is my biggest one. I don't really know why I got this much. I don't know if they didn't have a 4-ounce one, but I got this in the 8-ounce and it's peach nectar, and I heard this is like really good, especially with 464. So super good. It kind of smells like those peach like ring candies. Then I got just plain lavender instead of the white sage lavender. Yep, smells good. I still really like the white sage lavender better, and I did get another bottle of that. It smells really good, and I've been getting a really good hot throw with it. Yeah, it just smells a little bit more like a spa to me. This is red sangria. Definitely smells like fruity. I don't know, it kind of smells like the black raspberry in a way. This is sea minerals. Yeah, it's just like a nice clean smell. I like that one a lot. Blueberry cheesecake, which I have bought before. Smells good. I've been having a little issue with this one. We'll see if I can get it going, but we'll see. This is banana nut bread, which I heard is a really good one as well. Definitely smells like a nutty banana. I think it'll smell better in a candle. Sea Salt and Orchard. which I already got this one. It kind of smells like sea minerals, but I don't know. It's a little different. This is blood orange, which I'm curious about. Definitely an odd smell. It's like orange, but with a hint of something else. I don't know. Blood, I guess. Bamboo and coconut. That smells good. It kind of is like a musky smell. I feel like this would be good with like a green candle. Let's see, Jamaica Me Crazy, which I heard this is a good one as well. Yes, this smells like a tropical drink. I love that. I got Black Sea. Yeah, Black Sea is very musky man smell. I like that. I got caramel popcorn. These are just my little guys. I just wanted to try. Oh my gosh. That makes me hungry. That smells super good. Smells exactly like caramel popcorn. And then this was my free sample and it's pineapple sage. That smells really good as well. So I'm gonna have a hard time choosing these scents because they all smell super good. So I don't know. I'm gonna definitely make some candles later and I'll get back with you guys. Hey guys, so my hair's a little crazy. I just got out of the bath not too long ago. I mentioned earlier how I just don't feel well. I haven't got much done today. I feel like crap and I felt like this last night, but my headache kind of subsided and now it's back. I was feeling really lightheaded and I was just feeling really crappy. I just got my results back from my allergy testing and eggs was like one of the #1s. And I had eggs for breakfast. So I'm blaming it on that. I'm having a whole separate video on some of my health issues I've been dealing with. Because, you know, I haven't talked about it at all really on this channel. But I do have a separate video that you guys will see all about just some of the things I'm going through and have been going through for a while. So I'm gonna try to be productive. I'm feeling a little bit better, but I just feel so drained and it's hard to get things done, but I'm going to try to anyways. Maybe put some makeup on, I don't know. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys. Oh, the struggle. Hey guys, so I'm sorry I haven't really updated you or talked to you guys all day. I just kind of showed you guys what I was doing. I haven't been doing a whole lot. I've been getting up early and I've been going for a walk this week, so you know, I'm improving. So I did that early this morning, and then I checked on my plants. As you guys saw, I'm having a lot of growth, and I'm so excited because I've been killing plants. So and then I have some that I'm propagating. I think I said that right. So that's what you guys saw me do. I got some allergy testing done, and that'll be in a future video, I'm sure. Probably, but I don't know. If you guys already saw it, then cool, but if you guys haven't, you'll see it. But it is hard. It's hard trying to eliminate those things. I'm assuming that it's not like an actual allergy. I'm assuming it's more of like a sensitivity than an allergy, because I obviously can still eat those things. It just like messes me up. It's hard to eliminate everything that's on there because it's literally everything. Eggs, baker's yeast is in everything. It's just a process. It's a whole lifestyle change. So yeah, that's my little rant, which I've been working on doing this for a while, for a few months now. But now it's just like set in stone, like this is for sure what's bothering me. So now I just have to be more aware, even more aware than I was before. And I have to get certain groceries, I guess. I mean, there's definitely some frozen stuff, but there's just not much to go with it. I feel like I just have to eat meat really right now. But yeah, mom's making some burgers tonight, so I will be good there, but it's a struggle. I'm about to go to yoga now, but from the last footage you guys saw me on my computer, literally I edited for, like, I got a video up today, but I did that for probably like 5 hours. Like, I was doing that so long, so it's like hard to vlog when you're working on a video because it's like, oh, my whole day's gone. But yeah, so vlogging life, I need to start doing it the day before instead of the day of. But sometimes, like, I just have so much going on. If you guys want to know my uploading schedule, it's always Wednesday and Friday. Mostly always. Wednesday for sure. If for some reason I don't have another video that week, just know I'm having a crazy week. But I also, lately, have been trying to do a bonus, which I always try to do a bonus video too on Sundays, but the weekends are hard though for me because that's when my family's over, usually, so it's hard to like get that one up. So I did upload it on Monday this week. But yeah, so that's my little rant. Also, I want to show you guys, I know that you guys probably have saw this before in videos, maybe not. I might have showed you, but my windshield's fixed. Yay! I had a huge crack for, I want to say a year, but getting close to that. I do have a TikTok showing how my car's completely falling apart, but you know, that's an improvement. So I'm going to go to yoga. Michael's coming over. After yoga, I'm gonna try to go to Walmart. I need to go, but I've been editing all day, so it's like, maybe make some more candles, but yeah. So I just want to update you guys, and yeah, I will see you guys later.